Are you also finding it difficult to stay consistent with your work? Then this video is for you. So hello everyone, my name is Sarakshi Kadam. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will be discussing how to build the most difficult habit, which is consistency with your work, whether you are a student, a creator or dreamer, anything. Let's begin with the video. Section 1, why consistency matters. Section 1 is about why consistency matters. So you have to keep this thing in mind, that consistency beat intensity. It's not about doing everything in one day. It's about showing up every day. So whatever your goal is, whatever you want to achieve, whichever exam you want to crack, you have to just work for it every day. It's not just like you need to work for one day for 8 hours or for 10 hours, but you can also work every day for 3 to 4 hours, which would definitely work. So this habit of building up consistency is very important, and this habit is really a key to success. This thing is very important, that success is built through repetition, not just random burst of motivation. It's not just like you're motivated today and you will work for your goal just for one day, and for the rest of 1 week, or for the rest of 15 days in a month, or for rest of 2-3 days you will not work at all. So this is now how it's gonna work. You need to set a target for every day. You need to maintain your to-do list, and you have to work accordingly. You need not to just do everything in one day, but split your work for a week or a month, and this is how you're gonna work for entire month. So just keep in mind that consistency is really important. So you need to do consistent hard work, not just hard work. Section 2, tips to stay consistent. In section 2, we will be discussing few tips to stay consistent. Number 1, set clear realistic goals. First thing is to set clear and realistic goals. You need not to just get very much motivated and set goals which you cannot achieve through a long term. For example, you have to study for 10 hours, but you cannot but still decide to study for 10 hours, and then you will not be able to do that regularly for 6 months or 1 year. So you need to set realistic goals, like studying for 5 to 6 or whatever your work is. Just break it down according to your ease, and just set accordingly, so you can do that for long. Number 2 is to follow a routine. The second thing is to follow a routine. You need to make your routine, and you have to follow this. So your routine should be easy. It should not be very strict, so that you can follow it for a long term. Use a planner. So the next thing is to have a planner. You can have a book which you can purchase a planner, or if not, you can take a diary or a notebook, and you can plan your day. You can make your to-do list, and you have to complete your work accordingly. This will also help you to stay consistent. Fourth thing, minimize distractions. So the next thing is to minimize distraction. You have to prioritize your goal. You need to keep in mind that which thing is important and which is not. So you have to minimize all your distraction, your phone or social media aside, and you need to have a proper goals, and you need to work for it. And you can just sort of, after working for 2 hours, you can go for the things which you like for 1 hour, so that you will feel fresh. Next is reward progress. Next thing is reward yourself. It's not that you should reward yourself when you have achieved your goal, but if you have completed small step. For example, for achieving something you need 10 steps, and if you have completed one step, then you can also reward yourself with a small celebration or something for yourself, so which will also make you feel motivated, make you feel happy, and it will also motivate you for working more harder. So these were some tips to stay consistent. Let's now move forward towards section 3. Section 3, science back inside. Study shows that it takes about 21 to 66 days to build a habit. The brain forms its own pathway with repetition, so it's more powerful to be consistent, for to be even 60% consistent, than being perfect for once a while. So for building a habit, you need to be consistent, which is more powerful than working for one day and getting exhausted. So you need to have that plan, so that you will not get exhausted, you will feel happy, and you will be consistent with your work, which is more important. This was all about how to be consistent. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe.